Finally completed. Now I have to set the twist. Just got my bowl of water. The bubbles coming out sound like Cocoa Pops. I'm also trying to make some sourdough starter. And this is like the third day or whatever, and nothing... I was going to say nothing's happening, but... I thought it was going to fail, but look, there's actually like a bubble hole in there. I had to stir it a few times, and I know it's not that warm. They say, what's the temperature in here? 18. It's probably not as hot as it should be for it. But anyway. Okay, now I'm actually feeling a bit better. I've had the lid on loosely until today. I've just had this on loosely. But all this moisture in here, I thought, I don't know if that's good. So I literally just put this on today. And I noticed there's actually getting some little bubble pops in there. So this might work. Wrung it out as much as possible with my hands. So I have to hold it and then change where I move my hands after I whack it. So this is to set the twist. And then move. Hold it there. It feels wrong, but you're supposed to do it. Now I have to hang it back up to dry. Put it outside in the sun. It's got some weak points. A couple of the pieces of thread when I was, what do you call it, plying it. Like that one broke, so there's like half that's not joined in this section, so I just kept going anyway. Not the greatest, but hey, I'm still learning. Just harvested my first ever broccoli. I'm guessing these potentially could have been left longer, but I just pulled these two out of the ground because they were sticking out of the ground. You can tell where they've gone a bit brown. That's where they were out of the ground, so I thought maybe they're ready. I'm going to try and preserve these. These ones need longer. This is like half the size, but see how it's sticking out? So I'm not sure how big they're actually supposed to get, if they're fully grown or not. Let's try and blanch these. So I decided to peel them. Right, I don't have my tripod, so I'm going to try and make this safe so you can see what I'm doing. This is juice, and I put sugar, like brown sugar, vinegar, and some salt in this with the water that I boiled the beetroot in. Now I'm going to pour it in here. It was just about boiling before. And I did sterilize the jar. So I reckon, I don't know, I reckon that'll do. Here it is. Hopefully now this will pop after it cools down. And I'll have a really cool jar of beetroot. The gardens are looking quite bare. I've got heaps that I need to put in this one, but I'm leaving it blank while my seedlings grow. And I haven't put mulch, the sugarcane mulch on it yet, because I'm scared that Like when you put too much on, it actually stops the water going to the dirt. But I'm going to just put it on thin like this on all my gardens, and hopefully that'll be enough to keep some moisture in and also let the water get down into the dirt. It's my Chinese broccoli. I'm letting go to seed. And the bees and things are loving it. Look at all my seed pods. These are all the seed pods. Very cool. I've also got new ones coming up. I've got seeds in here, so I need them to be able to come up. Look at my little guns coming up there.